This is my bird. Squiggly bird. Well, I'm going to be trying to put my birdie in the hamster ball thingy. Okay, see what it does. Okay, this is what it looks like so far. It looks like that. Okay, I'll go to the living room and see what it does. Okay. Go, birdie, fly like the wind. No, wrong way, wrong way. Wrong way. Wrong way. Go that way. It's kind of funny, a bird instead of a hamster. Go right there. Woo! Birdie. Birdie, come back. And yeah, this is my sister's bird, like right there. Right there. Right there. Wait, you can't see it. Right there. You can see it now. It's like really scary. And once it comes out, it's going to fly there. I'm magic. I'm magic. I'm a fortune teller, I tell you. P.S. I will die in 1978 in a car crash, or a jet crash, or choking on a bottle cap. Yeah, bye.